Hey, look, hopped out the spaceship, they call me 𝒟𝒂𝓈. I just cracked a new whip, they call me 𝒟𝒂𝓈. White big cool whip, brown one better. Spanish John too thick.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. Before we get into today's vlog, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of that glam fam. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Today I'm not feeling like my fucking self. It's rainy in Wisconsin. It's rainy and my mood feels like the weather. So today I'm going to get my lashes done. I'm getting a volume set at 50 Shades of Fly, and I'm getting my nails done by Kimmy, and then I'm going to do my own hair in a half up, half down ponytail. I bartend tonight at Courtside. I haven't bartended there since almost the summer, so I'm just gonna vlog and show you what the fuck that's like. So I'm going to the beauty supply store right now to get some hair for my half up, half down do today. I'm gonna do it myself, and then lashes and nails. So pamper day, follow me. Let's go, shall we? Okay. So I'm here to get my lashes in. It's cute in here though, but and my dumb ass just wore a long sleeve shirt. I don't even have an underneath shirt on here, but look at my fucking eyelashes. They look so good. Look. What? Bitch, I'm back. What? Did make me feel a little bit better though, getting my eyelashes done. They look good. Yep, this that shit that I like. Period poo. The shop was really cute. I got a little bit of B-roll footage from there. Excuse my fucking zit, okay? I think it's from stress. Not sure. But it is now 2, what time is it? 2 o'clock, I think. 2 something. 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna go, I don't know, maybe get something to eat and then go get my nails done, because my nail appointment isn't until 3. I might pull up on her early so that she could just get him started early. It's so fucking cold. I hate Wisconsin weather. Let me turn this heat on. I'm gonna drive. I got some Red Bull. This is my favorite flavor of Red Bull. I was gonna drink it before, but you're not supposed to drink caffeine before your eyelash appointment because your eyes will like jitter a lot, which I feel like mine was already jittering a fucking lot. But this is my favorite flavor of Red Bull, the blueberry. If you ain't know, now you know. Go grab one. So yeah, now to go get my nails done, and then I'm gonna go home, do laundry, and do my own hair and get my shit to fucking together for today, for when I bartend. So yeah, self-care is very important. If you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will, and the relationship with yourself sets the tone for the relationship with everybody else. So get into it. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.